Hi artists and welcome to Davideogiochi Channel. New tutorial for today. After teaching you how to build a palette, now I want to teach you how to prepare a new product for your bricolage artwork. But before starting, if you want to get culture but at the same time have fun, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button for staying up to date. What I am talking about? Of this. Do you want to know what is this? It's glue. Vegetal glue. Yes sir, it's very easy to prepare and it offers a lot of advantages with respect to the glue you can buy in shops. It isn't toxic, it's made with edible ingredients and it's also gluten-free. It's very fast to prepare, it's very cheap, it doesn't stain, but its drops can be removed just with warm water. It doesn't pollute and it can be preserved for some days inside the refrigerator. Okay, if I've intrigued you, just continue to see the video. Now comes the list of the ingredients. Okay, the first thing we need for prepare the glue is the vinegar. We need just a spoon of it. For second, we need water. The third ingredient is the cornstarch, sugar, cornacciari, a spoon, a carafe, a bowl, ing, a jar, and last but not least, a saucepan. Well, the first operation is transfer water from bottle to carafe, for measure the water, okay? And control you have the right quantity of it. Now, let's put an half of water, sugar and vinegar inside the saucepan. Then, let's heat the mixture on the fire. And let's mix it for a minute, more or less. Now, it's time to mix the cornstarch and the remaining water. Let's pour the cornstarch and water inside the saucepan. Let's raise the flame and make the mixture boiling. Last thing to do, rinse the obtained glue inside the jar. Preserve it inside the fridge. I can't wait to use it for my collage. Okay artists, the video ends here. If you liked it, put me a like, comment that I am glad and subscribe to the channel. Follow me also on my other social, link in description. Share the video with friends, family and acquaintances and click on the end cards. And if you want I talk of somebody or something in particular, ask it. I am always open to video on demand. I wait you always here to the next episode of Davideogiochi Channel. Ciao!